Right, so if you haven't got a pump to get this bloody tyre on with, here's something else you can do. Have your valve out, because you want somewhere the air to gan. This comes out a lot. And there. There you go. Oh, she's just off there, but I might get that with a pump. Right, so it's getting one side on. There we go. As you see what I did there, sprayed a bit in, light it so it's a flame on the surface, and it sucks it in. I'll put that valve back in and she's sorted. Top tips from Frank.